Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of a Paper at a Cut File Shop, where I am going to use this cut file, and it is called Paint a Circle, and it is from the September 2022 set, so that is available out there. And I am going to use these two photos that I have taken. I am in my collection from How to Kill a Kit with Style. I rolled it over to August, hence the reason why you did not see a, recap, because I'm rolling it into September. So it will be part of that kit along with this cut file. So let's see what I can do. All right, let's see how we can do this. So I am using the How to Kill a Kit with Style, like I explained in the beginning of the video, along with the Confessions of the Paper at a Cut File Shop paint stripe circle. I am using the August kit because I wasn't able to get everything done due to my crazy sinus infection and everything else that I had. It was just a lot. And so here I am taking my Distress Oxide from Blueprint Sketch, and I'm showing you the different ways to be able to outline or do a sketch, to get it as dark as possible in certain spots to make it really pop. And you will see, now I do understand that my videos here is kind of like, shaking it, but essentially you kind of get the drift. You take the thing and you go around. Now, the one thing about the oxides that I absolutely love, and it makes it easy to where you don't need to use gesso or any of that sort, is the lid can be your spray, like your excess spray. So I squeeze the lid so that it's put together, and then spray it, and it'll come out, and you can see the difference between what that looks like and how it, is dry versus wet. That's the difference between the Distress Oxides and the just having the oxides, the other one from Ranger, the Distress Inks, I should say. So what I did prior to this was I just drew a line on the page to kind of give me my idea of where I'm going to place this. Now, cut files are amazing to use. I absolutely love how it turns out. I really love how deep this blue gets because of the light color I am using. And the reason why I chose the blue on the outside is that my paint strip that I'm using is like one of the dark blue pages there. And so what I'm doing is that part of the paint had some splatters. So I wanted to get those added in there. And so I'm just using my Nuvo adhesive, deluxe adhesive, just to put it down because I absolutely love that. And I'm using my close to my heart tweezers because, to get it up on there. So you will see how I put this all together. So while you're watching me do that, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go check out Virginia's cut file shop. She has amazing stuff for September that released. This is just one of the few. And the one thing I love about Virginia's cut files every month is that you just never know what we're going to be working with, and that's the beauty of it. Also, she does have some cut files of the silhouette machines, so you could definitely do. I can't wait to use the Cricut one because I have a big idea of using that. So that's what I'm going to do there. And yeah, so I can't wait. So here are the photos. The photos are while we were down in Tybee Island. This is still that trip that I was trying to finish up in August, but I'm going to finish it up hopefully this month. I should be able to for that and call that good. And so I am just going together and getting this done, and I just love how this turns out. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel as well. I am starting September 12th, which is in a week. My class is starting, and that is linked down below as well. And that is all about my sketches. And if you are wanting to see different takes on how to use the sketch, while using your own products, definitely check it down below. It is there for you as a bundle. You get the sketches, and then you get to be part of the Facebook group, and every week I go live with one of the sketches. And since there are 10, it is a 10-week course, and each week you have a chance to be able to do what you want to do with them while following along with me and the rest of there. There is quite a bit of ladies in there, and I am super excited to be able to work with them and you as well, if you choose to. Now, I decided to make the title called Those Faces. At first, I was going to say, hello, those faces, but then I decided, nope, you will see how I incorporate the big strip without it being a lot. And I do put, I decided not to actually do something with the holes in these tags this time. I just left it. And I love that. I think that works out amazing in that respect. I am taking the floral part of this Hip Kit Club. This is the April one. I'm just working through them and getting them done. I can't wait. I think that a lot of the collections that I'm using is just fantastic. And I decided to use this rainbow one down on the bottom. I start to glue everything in and make it all snazzy pazzy like I do. So yeah, I just love how this turns out. I just think it's the white paint on top of the Distress Oxide is perfect. It's just definitely one of the things. I did finally get to be able to go on a trip finally here. So if you haven't followed me on my social media, I was able to finally get everything posted. My allergies finally started to relieve this past week. It was 4 weeks, y'all. It was a lot. But I am better. I am still sniffling, but it's nothing like what it was. So I think I'm in the clear finally. But I was taking all the medicine that I needed to. It just needed to run its course, unfortunately. And that's the cruddy part of this. So here is my signature. I am done with this. I'm going through that. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.